Questions. What is she doing? Is she doing her homework? Yes, she is. Is she drinking coffee? No, she isn't. She's drinking tea. Is she listening to music? No, she isn't. She's watching TV. Is she having a break? Yes, she is. Is she driving a car? Yes, she is. Is she riding a bike? No, she isn't. Is he baking a cake? Yes, he is. Is he relaxing? No, he isn't. Is he smoking a cigarette? Yes, he is. Is he walking on the beach? Yes, he is. Are they reading? Yes, they are. Are they going sightseeing? No, they aren't. Are they laughing? No, they aren't. They're crying. Are they having fun? Yes, they are. What is she doing? Where is she going? Why are they laughing? Who is he talking to? Nézzük a magyarázatokat. Nagyon egyszerű megint. Csere-bere. Néztük az egyszerű jelenidőt, ugye ott volt segédige, a do meg az az. Néztük a múlt időt, ott volt a segédige did, de mivel a folyamatos jelennél van nekünk a lenni ige, ami egy ilyen különleges ige, sok mindenre jó, le is tudjuk tagadni, például, ezt már megnéztük, de tudunk vele kérdezni, ezért nem kell segédige, csak cserebere van. Is she doing her homework? Is he relaxing? Are they reading? Tehát mindig csak cserebere, először jön a lennége, és utána, hogy ki csinálja. A rövid válaszok hasonlóak az előzőekhez. 3 részből állnak. Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. És természetesen itt is jöhetnek kérdőszavak. What is she doing? Where is she going? Why are they laughing? Who is he talking to? Ugye, hogy kivel beszél.